Why did you block that road? I'm talking to you.
On the road to ensure that they are not extorting that they are
no crest,
complying with that.
Are you a policeman?
So we'll move now.
No,
we are going to the other road.
Let me see your crest.
He's
not a
policeman.
What's your first number? Me, I can't read it. It's eating all over. An SPO, ASP, this rank.
Okay, thank you.
Is that where you wear slippers and you're on the road?
In compliance with the directives of the inspector.
Let me see your belt. Let me see the belt you are wearing. Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing. Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing to your uniform.
MPM. Who has directed that we
is this police?
You
are a very responsible officer. Get his details. Yeah, where are you serving?
Doing well. They are well dressed.
Don't talking no. Where are you serving? Where are you serving, my friend? Keep quiet. Stop that nonsense. They tell you to be disgracing yourself. You are disgracing yourself. I'm not fit to wear that rank. Get his details for me.
What's your AP number?
To ensure his men are
why did you block road? Go and remove those things first. Why did you block that road? I'm talking to you.
Commanders to see the men themselves on the road and how they are.
No crest, though. Are you a policeman? He's not. No, it's not true. Let me see your crest.
He's not a policeman.
What's your first number?
Those are not well dressed and are not well positioned are equally blocking the road because we've directed that nobody should.
When did he join the police?
Position themselves well.
Is he a policeman?
Strategically, so that when they flash down,
he's not a policeman.
By the time we see their deployment on the road, we will definitely stop. Those that are not well dressed,
look at his own name tag.
Their uniform. We have
he's a woven.
Their commanders bring them for disciplinary action at the headquarters.
Are you a serving policeman? Is this how they show black?
What's your name?